How do I edit a habit? Need to tweak a goal or adjust a setting? Here's what you can change. Habit icon, perfect for clarifying your goal. Habit alert time. Habit plan. Reinforcement fee or commitment lock. Note, you can't change these if a lock is currently active. That's the whole point. And of course, you can always add new environment changes. Here is what you cannot tweak or adjust. Habit name. We are so sorry, but this is the main name of our file for the data you created. The poor creator of Panbit did not have enough money to pay the hard-working coders, so they could also make this optional. If you need to change the name, you might need to create a new habit. Habit start date. If you are changing this, it might be just easier creating a new habit. Habit frequency. We are so sorry again, but this is the main way all the data works in our app. The poor creator of Panbit did not have enough money to pay the hard-working coders, so they could also make this optional. If you need to change the frequency, you might need to create a new habit. Do edit. Follow these steps. Simply click on the habit name instead of clicking on the sphere. This should happen in the home page. Here you can see your habit details. Click on the three dots icon at the top right of the screen. Click on Edit Habit. Make your changes. Or press on the reinforcement settings if you need to edit some of your reinforcement or commitment lock settings. Hit Save Changes, and you're good to go.